Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy!
Alright, moving on to the R sound. Now this is going to be tricky. To pronounce the R sound, first say the R sound in English, like for example the WR in wrench. Say wrench, wrench. So the R sound in Chinese is similar to re as in wrench, but without lip rounding.
Here's a demo. To make the initial R sound, first say r as in wrench, r, and then slowly relax your lips. That's the Chinese initial R sound. Ren, ren, wrench, ren, ren.
Okay, here's some examples. 人, 热, 让, 如. Think of a Chinese R as the English R, but without rounded lips. Okay. 人, 热, 让, 如. Again, if you have an I after it, and then just add some voice to it, make the sound a little bit longer. 日, 日. Okay. Feel the vibration in your throat. 日, 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 日. Okay. You can think of I as just keeping your mouth positioned, but add some voice to it.
Some also find it helpful to imagine that 日 is like 日 in massage. 日, 日, 日.
Do you find RI very, very tricky to say? Well, if you do, here's the good news. There is only one common Chinese word that is used with this sound. That is the word for day, 日. If you find this sound hard to say, then if you avoid using this word, then you are good, because this is the only common word in Chinese that uses this sound.
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.